My name is Katie French. I'm an automotive repair expert. I have been in this industry for almost a decade. I'm 29 years old. I graduated a year and a half before my classmates with my associate's degree in advanced automotive technology. After that, I started right off with Chrysler as a technician. I had brought my Mopar CAT program certification with me into the field and Ford Stars maintenance and light repair certification with me. So I had auditioned for Fiat Chrysler automobiles and I became a technical training specialist. I was teaching about 120 dealerships and I taught them electrical, diesel, driveline, hybrid, you name it. We had a whole curriculum. Had that every day is a school day. Speaks volumes to me and keeps me going.